Welcome to Indaca Institute of Skills.
Next is Open Topography, offers a comprehensive repository of topographic data, LiDAR, photogrammetry, satellite data, focusing on high-resolution products. Go to Data. Next, go to Find Data Map. And here you have to give the data source only to global and regional DEMs, and go to Area of your interest and click there, and it will show you the available datasets. You have to go to SRTM GL3. And further, you have to select your area of interest, and from select a region option. And you can see your location coordinates have been automatically showing. You can also put the coordinates manually, and further select the data output format as GeoTIFF, visualization type as per your requirement, and share your email ID and submit it. And sometimes it will generate the download data option or also mailed you the link. Further, you download the DEM result. Extract the downloaded data. Extract the tar file also. Further, add the file to QGIS from Layer, Add Raster Layer, and select the file from the folder. Open and add it. In this way, you can download data from different open sources and use them for your research purpose. For content like this, follow and subscribe to Indaca Institute of Skills and stay updated.